In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro AI to generate a diagram from a prompt. To get started, open Google Chrome and launch a blank board in Miro. Beginning with a blank board is helpful because it gives you a clean workspace and makes it easier to focus on the content Miro AI creates for you. Once your board is open, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the tools are visible and ready to use. Next, look to the left side of the screen for the Creation toolbar. This is where you'll find the tools used to add content to your board. On that toolbar, click the Miro AI icon, which appears as a sparkle symbol. This is the shortcut that opens the AI generation panel. If you don't see it right away, just scan the toolbar carefully because it's grouped with the other creation options. Clicking this icon opens the area where you can tell Miro AI what kind of visual you want it to build. Once the AI panel is open, choose the type of output you want to create. You'll typically see options such as flowchart, mind map, or user story map. The option you select should match the kind of information you want to organize. A flowchart works well for processes or decision paths. A mind map is useful for brainstorming ideas and showing connections between topics. A user story map is a good choice when you're planning product features or mapping out user needs and tasks. Choosing the right format at this stage will help the generated result feel more useful and structured from the beginning. After selecting the output type, click into the prompt box and type a clear instruction describing what you want Miro AI to generate. Try to be specific and direct so the AI has enough context to produce a better result. For example, instead of entering something vague, describe the topic or process you want visualized in a short, clear sentence. When your prompt is ready, press Generate. Miro AI will process your request and create the diagram directly on your board. Give it a moment to finish and then review the result. If needed, you can refine your prompt and generate again for a different version. That's how to quickly turn an idea into a structured visual using Miro AI in Chrome. In